Today we're going to learn really quick how to do a clipping mask. We've done clipping masks before, so I'll start with a simple one. I'm going to draw a polygon. I already have a picture below. It really doesn't matter what the polygon is filled with. If you're trying to make sure it fits right over something, you may want to adjust the opacity to 50%, just so you can kind of see through it. Maybe I want it like that, kind of center there. Then all we need to do is select both shapes, hold the Shift key to select both, and then it is Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. From there we can add a special effect, Stylize. Maybe I can feather the radius a little bit. Oh, that actually looks really nice. And OK. So from the beginning, we're going to go to File and Place. We're going to select an image, click, and drag. I need to make sure I automatically click Embed, so now that image is part of it. And this one, I'm going to show you what you can do if you wanted to make a custom shape. Okay, maybe I'll make that a little bit wider to kind of get part of the draft in there. Now here's this part. I can't do a clipping mask with two different shapes. So I'm going to hold my Shift key and select both of these shapes. I'm going to go to the Pathfinder panel, and that's where I could do a Unite, I could do an Exclude, Minus Front, for any type of different design. In this case, I'm going to do the Unite, and now it's together. So now I need to select both items. Okay, again, hold the Shift key, Object, Clipping Mask, Make. There we go. On this one, maybe I want to add a stroke. And if you see, it adds the stroke on the entire shape, not the part that I did, so that maybe would look a little bit weird. If you also do something and don't like it, Object, Clipping Mask, and Release. Okay, that will release it, and then you could go back and do any other edits to the shape maybe that you wanted to in your design. So try to be really creative. Do not just do a standard square or circle. Really focus on trying to do unique designs that will really stand out. Make sure you look at the examples I have for you in our Canvas page. I'm going to go to my Window and Layers panel. So remember, I need to make sure that I've got my shape in front of my image here. Over here, I need to make sure I've got this part selected. Okay, I can make this a little bit bigger, and then I can select both, and I can do my Object, Clipping Mask, and Make.